Welcome back to the YouTube channel, my cameras. We're not gonna force kuti Muhammadi welcome blah 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 blah. My cameras. Pakaribu Madijan. Okay, ndimana kuti welcome back to the YouTube channel. Okay, Malawi cameras. Now I'm commenting when I'm forced kuti pakaribu sinema mvesa kuno Madijan kwambiri. Welcome back welcome back to the YouTube channel. Okay, Malawian cameras. Akulu ngani ili bano timafati kambe za bana bage ifendo mvesa chisone. Okay, ifendo mvesa chisone. Kwambiri anthu akuda ifendo mvesa chisone. Why am I saying so? Okay, pali zinthu zingapo. Komano choyambirira tiyambire ku Malawi. Okay? MCP, okay, director wa ngana za international nchani affairs is oku MCP. Utika chalo, I don't know, kanchan chalo something. Basi kupita nthu kukanena kwa Azungu. Azungu ati makanena basi. Ifeyo bomu la DPP tupondereze ifeyo, ulungu timanga, ifeyo ababa makuti kunena meujwa kunena kulongosola zimene kucha.
Distinguished colleagues of IDU, I begin with essential context. My party, the Malawi Congress Party, was the ruling party for the past 5 years. In September 2025, we lost the general elections. The new ruling party, the Democratic Progressive Party, DPP, has since launched a wave of attacks on our party structure. What we are witnessing is not justice. It is a calculated campaign of political intimidation. As the current regime realizes they have already started struggling to fulfill the promises they made in their manifesto, they have resorted to diverting attention by arresting our senior party officials. Let me be clear about the scale of this assault. Senior members of our party have been arrested and released on bail. They include our party publicity secretary, our party director of public relations, our party campaign director, our party director of recruitment, who is also our leader in parliament, the running mate to our party president at the recent elections, and the former publicity secretary, all arrested in the past 7 months. But the most telling case is this. The very secretary general of our party was kept in remand for over a month before any charges were brought against him. A full month. No charges, no due process, just detention. All those arrested have been released on bail pending further legal proceedings. No formal charges have yet been proven in court. We regard these arrests as politically motivated, aimed at disrupting our organization and diverting public attention from the DPP's growing list of broken promises. This is a deliberate act of political intimidation. We, as Malawi Congress Party, believe Malawians deserve better. Our party leader, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, has been in the spotlight condemning government's deliberate act at weakening opposing voices. Our legal team is actively challenging the grounds of detention, and we are documenting every case for international partners like the IDU. We are not deterred, but we require the solidarity of this forum, in statements, in observer presence, and in diplomatic pressure for due process. Distinguished colleagues, know this. Our party remains united, and will not be silenced by selective justice. Let me be clear. This is not about partisan politics. This is about the principle of a vibrant, critical opposition. It is the lifeblood of a multi-party democracy. So our message to the current regime is this. The people are watching. Africa is watching. This community of democracies is watching. Govern for all and not for some. Compete in the arena of ideas, not in the dark corners of intimidation. Thank you.
Okay. 1 minute. Number 2. Ku South Africa. Kuli pakalam takati. Pakalam takati. Ndekuti dish for the witch. The fiti like akuti dzina lake like amati it's like dzina lake ndilimene takati. Amina kumakhala ngati mamenya anthu nchani amina uchi. Ndizimina makamba malema kuti anthu inuyo kwa anthu awa azungu mumakhala anthu nekuti uziyepetsa oyankhula maulemu kwagwadira.
they are scared of white people. Look at them. When they speak to a white person, they are very respectful. They show manners. When they speak to a black person, they are violent.
Zinthu chabo kama wakhala kwazi nzanu pamene mukuma bangazi memu pamwazinja. So wani pakuoneka zoti umbuli ulipo ndithu, umbuli wachuluka, cause kwa munthu amene ozindikira bwino I don't know, come on guys, azungu sasamala zaife, azungu sasamala zanthu akuda. They don't care, they don't care, they don't give a damn. You understand? Choma bito makauza azungu kuti yaife okay, situ kamba za okay, MCP imaopsha kwambiri. Remember kuti anthu amakhabidwa, kukamacha ukhabidwa, ma civil servants ukhabidwa, ayanamiwa ukhabidwa. Mpaka na nditu remember kuti pakana even UN ma embassies epitana nkholapo sonkhani mene kuti amene akushana nga condemn violence imene kaita kumenyera pa maso pa polisi ndi asilikali ayanamiwa acha. Aliye sanaona kumachitika zifamba zoti kagulu special ti magulu nditu special. Tongo khapa wanthu. Andi lero li basi kupanda panyazi ndithu kafika yayi veo akungoti mangira anthu athu akanika kukwanilisa zimene lonjeza makuti come on. Amene mukwauzawo they don't care. Chama kufuna kunguba basi ma resources and imene chama makhala njira. So imakhala njira to okay aruzi za mavuto await okay. Bas tikazafuna kupanga chibwirikiti kuti tenge gold tenge chanja ndeti zangu basi simukauza dala kama amene chokalena kwa azungu ndiyani azungu mwakauza azungu za amene azungu ndi mbendemba vazi kulu kwambiri azungu ndi opondereza kwambiri amenewo azungu ndi okupha kwambiri amenewo pompa apana 60 apama civilians ana 68 muyangane mu history makauza ife kwathu makuti same thing ku South Africa, umbulu umene kuchira wa South Africa omati ayi sankati amene sanathandize nchani. Actually that's what inenzi ndimembekezera kwa utsatira ajina zandile dabula zandile.
During apartheid, not even one of those African countries came to fight with black people.
Chifukwa sakunziwa history imene makhalira kuti pitani simunathandize during apartheid thaya samura simunathandize iwe khala chete okay khala chete. Nthawi imene ijaya panali maiko ena amene amathandiza nthu kwathandiza and maiko amenewo amachita kuti frontline states. Okay, zandile dabula amene ali wamkulu wa operation dudula anatengerwa kukafusidwa mafuso anamfusa was simple. What comes to your mind when we say frontline states? Frontline states amakamba zamaiko amene samaziwa yankho samaliziwa kuti ndiyani basi ababa ayi zoyankha zisolongosoka kumfusa siyo historically tili kabeza history frontline states kanika kuyankha nitu kanika kuyankha.
The first question that I have reserved is for you, Ms. Tabula. Let me just ask an open-ended question. If I said frontline states, what comes to mind and what can you say in relation to that?
So now this is about the people. We have this Freedom Charter where Operation Dudula is entrenching the Freedom Charter that says people shall govern. And currently we don't have leaders. We are on autopilot, and that's where Operation Dudula comes in.
No, I'm asking about frontline states.
Frontline states. So this is about. Are you now taking this together with the
If I say to you frontline states, from a historical perspective, what comes to mind as we have this conversation?
The frontline states, I would believe it's about, the people in power.
Let me help you. You always did as frontline states.
Come again?
she obviously doesn't know what a frontline state is, right?
Saka kuzuti pali mayiko ina amene athandizira. Achina Zimbabwewo, achina chani athandizira. Amachita ma frontline states. So otsatira achina Dodula ngati nsogolawo sako akanena kuyankha choncho. Otsatira sanga kwanisa kuyankha. Koma azungu nde koma apa mochito kwagwadira azungu amene. Ifeyo vuto lili within ourselves. Anu ake ife tili ndi mavuto. You understand? Zungu sanga solve vuto. Life yo. Sanga sizingatheke zimenezo. Nde izomati yayi basi ifeyo ukanda kwa azungu kama naye azungu de amen. Zungu onetsa basi umbuli kusazindikira mukumbali zonse. Like nde ukemgaza azungu atani. I was sanctioned Malawi. I was sanctions in Malawi. I want to buy. I mean, come on, guys, come on. Anyway, thank you so much, Malawi.